Mix 98.9 with and Jeff Kelly here at the Miracles and Promises Radiothon. We're at Akron Children's Hospital, Mahoning Valley. And lady that I think, have you lived here the whole 6 years pretty much, Dr. Elena Rossi?
I'm originally from Youngstown.
Yes, and you were here day one pretty much, weren't you? Or pretty close to it.
Absolutely. I was with the transition team to start.
Are you amazed at how this has evolved like this?
I can't believe it. I think there's so many things that we've accomplished in the last few years, but with partnering with so many other agencies and organizations, we'll even grow more.
Is there anything that surprised you after these 6 years?
Just the number of children that have come through our doors. We take care of so many children, almost 100,000 a year.
Yes. That is something. So you are here, and it is almost like your power hour here this hour. I'll let you explain it more than me because you know it better than me. It's about making sure when your kids sleep that they do it safely.
Now, most people have heard about the big push now to educate our community on safe sleep practices for our infants. And that really needs to start in the hospital. Each and every hospital in Mahoning Valley needs to make it very clear to mom, dad, grandpa, grandma, aunts, uncles, babysitters, childcare, everyone, about how important it is for the infants to be placed in a safe sleep position each and every time they're placed down to sleep.
And also, too, the environment they sleep in is important, too, right?
It's not enough to just be alone, so the infants should not sleep in any adult surfaces. They should be alone in their own crib, on their back, and with nothing else in the crib. No blankets, bumper pads, stuffed animals. It should be free and clear.
So brother and sister shouldn't climb in that crib with them, right?
No one.
Therefore, this power hour, this hour, is about buying. It's a chance for us to go shopping to buy what are called sleep sacks.
So each year in our NICU, our Akron Children's NICU at St. Elizabeth's here in Boardman, we admit nearly 600 infants into the NICU. And in order to send each and every child home with a sleep sack, we would need to raise money for the 600.
Okay, and they go for about how much?
They're about $12 a piece at least.
Okay.
And we need extra so that we can use them in the hospital to actually model correct sleep position. We don't want the babies to be wrapped in blankets. We don't want anything loose in the bed. But we don't want the families to feel that the infants are underdressed. And we certainly don't want any overdressing. You don't want to have the babies too warm and overdressed.
Sounds like me, quite frankly. Overdressed, underdressed, I'm never comfortable. It's the same thing, no matter what age it is. But we are looking for now $4,800, close to $5,000, 40 miracle makers to raise this. But I understand we had a nice little kickoff here.
I of course donate each and every year to the Radiothon, but I've never actually donated during my hour. So I wanted to kick off the hour and want you to know how important this is to me and has been for me for many, many years. So I donated the first $1,000.
Okay, well, let's get the rest of it. You give the phone number up there.
So please call. If you have an infant, if you've had an infant, if you care about all these infants, please call 1-888-746-9890 and help us to purchase all these sleep sacks so our infants who go home from the hospital can be in a safe sleep attire.
All right, thank you, Doctor.
Thank you.
Dr. Elena Rossi.